I've been comparing Trading 212 and Revolut throughout 2025, and while both platforms offer commission-free trading, they cater to different types of investors. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a comprehensive trading experience or an integrated banking and investing solution. Trading 212 is a dedicated investment platform that provides commission-free access to a wide range of stocks and ETFs. It features a user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, and educational resources, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Trading 212 also offers features like fractional shares and auto-investing, allowing users to build diversified portfolios with ease. However, it lacks access to certain asset classes like mutual funds and options. Revolut, on the other hand, is a digital banking app that includes investing as one of its features. It offers commission-free trading for a limited number of stocks per month, depending on your subscription plan. Revolut's strength lies in its seamless integration of banking, currency exchange, and investing services within a single app. This makes it convenient for users who want to manage their finances and investments in one place. However, its investment platform is more basic, with limited research tools and a smaller selection of assets. If you're looking for a comprehensive trading platform with advanced features and a broad range of investment options, Trading 212 is the better choice. But if you prefer an all-in-one app that combines banking and basic investing functionalities, Revolut offers a convenient solution. If this comparison helped you decide which platform fits your needs better, be sure to like the video, share it with someone exploring investment options, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.